A dealer deals in two products X and Y. He has 1 lakh rupees to invest. Dealer deals in two products X and Y. He has totally 1 lakh rupees to invest. Let us say he invests in X number of articles of type X and Y number of articles of type Y. Totally has 1 lakh rupees. So X plus Y should be maximum 1 lakh. So X plus Y should be maximum 1 lakh. He is investing X rupees here, Y rupees here. Do not forget to write that. Let X and Y be number of units of type X and Y respectively. Now, X plus Y should be maximum 1 lakh. So it should be less than that or equal to that. Next, he has he has space to store. Oh, sorry, I made one mistake. It should have been the X plus Y. He has space to store 80 pieces. So maximum 80 pieces. So X plus Y should be less than equal to 80. The cost per piece of X is 2500. Cost per piece of Y is 1000 rupees. So therefore, I can say 2500 into X plus 1000 into Y should be maximum 1 lakh rupee. So here that is when I divide, I get when I divide by 500, I get 5x, I get 2y, and I get 200. X and y should be greater than equal to 0. It cannot be less than 0. Construct the LPP and find the number of units. Now this is the LPP. Our objective, construct the LPP and find the number of units to be purchased. But the objective itself is not given. So if the objective is not given, we won't be able to do this sum unless they give you whether we have to maximize the profit, minimize the cost, or something of that sort. Product experts. Have they just see whether they have given no, they cannot give that. They would have to mention either profit or some objective they have to give here. Construct the LPP and find the number of units to be purchased. For what reason they haven't mentioned. In the previous sum, if you see, to maximize its profit, underline that to maximize its profit. Here nothing has been mentioned. They should have given some condition over here. I think this is a textbook problem, so you can see what is missing over there. In the textbook, have they missed some words? If they haven't, you cannot find, you cannot formulate the graph. You may be able to formulate the, you can form the graph, but then you cannot maximize or minimize it because you don't know the objective function. I think I've seen this problem somewhere, but I don't recollect where I've seen this. Is anyone searching? Can I go to the next problem? Smriti?
Sir, I'm searching.
Priti, do one thing. Just tell me the answer that is given behind. Have they given some function? Z equal to, they would have given some function also.
Z equal to 12,000,
Yeah.
X is equal to 40 and Y is equal to 0.
No,
X is equal to 40.
X equal to 40. Y equal to?
0.
What is the function? We don't know the function, but right. Have they mentioned these constraints also somewhere? Or they have just given you the answer?
No, sir. Just the answer.
Forget it. You search it later on. They should have given you the objective function. They have missed it. company manufactures two types of dresses, dress C X units, dress D Y units. Now the raw material required and the labor per day is 5 units for dress X, 4 units for dress D, and maximum availability is 60. This is the raw material, maximum number of units available is 60. This is 5, this is 3, maximum available is 50, and P is the profit. They have asked you to maximize profit. Uh, this is the function which has to be maximized. This is subject to two conditions, two constraints. Constraints are limitations. 5 into x plus 4 into y is maximum 60. So that means less than or equal to 60. Next one is 5 into x plus 3 into y is maximum 50. So less than equal to 50. Next, x and y cannot be negative. So greater than equal to 0. We'll have to write inequality equation, then x intercept, y intercept, and the region. So here 5x plus 4y is less than equal to 60. 5x plus 3y is less than equal to 50. So 5x plus 4y equal to 60. 5x plus 3y equal to 50. X intercept is 5 upon, this would be 12, comma 0, and this would be 0, comma 15. Here 5 tens are, and here this would be 0, comma 50 by 3. Now, when I take y as 5, 3 pies are 15, it becomes 35. So 7, comma 5 is one of those points. And x greater than equal to 0, y greater than equal to 0. So here we can say x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Here we can say x axis and y axis. Next. On the x axis, 12, 0, 10 and 0. So I'll take intervals of 2 each. Both are towards origin. So it is a cornermost region to the left. Here, this would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Now 12, comma 0 is here and 0, comma 15 is here. Then 5x plus 10, comma 0 is here and 0, 50 by 3. 50 by 3 means it is roughly 16.66. I'll take 7 and 5 here, 7 here, 5 here, and 10, comma 0, and this is 16 point some term. This is the second line. Both are towards the origin. So extreme left, So this is the common region. Now, here this is 0, 15. This is 10, 0. Here, when I take 5x plus 4y equal to 60 and 5x plus 3y equal to 50, when I subtract the two, I get y equal to 10. So y is 10 here. I have drawn it wrong, I can say. And then 5x plus 40 equal to 60. So 5x equal to 20, x equal to 4. So this is 4 comma 10. So my diagram is not right. You need to check whether your diagram is correct or not. Now at P, this is A, I'll say this is B, this is C, and this is D. Now P at A 0, comma 0 is 550 into 0 plus 0. Then P at B 0, comma 15 is 50 into 0 plus 100 into 15. Then P at C, it is 4, comma 10. It would be 50 into 4, that is 200 plus 1000. 1200. Then P at D, it is 10, comma 0. So it is 500. And they have asked you to maximize the profit. That means we have to make 0 units of dress X and uh, 15 units of dress Y.
Sir, it's correct.
Right. Yeah. And the dress Y. To maximize profit, invest in 0 units of dress X and 15 units of dress Y. Maximum profit is 1500 rupees. Yeah. Yeah. Smriti is a diet conscious child and she wishes to ensure minimum intake of vitamin A, B, and C for the family. So she is very diet conscious and she wants to ensure certain minimum intake of vitamin A, B, and C. So she drinks only Complan. Now here, fourth one. vitamin A, B, and C. Now, she has to ensure certain minimum intake, otherwise she'll fall. Okay, so she has to have some energy. The minimum daily needs of vitamin A, B, and C. Minimum she needs uh, how much of vitamin A? 30 units, 20 units, and 16 units. So for the supply of minimum vitamin requirements, she has two types of food. She goes to the market and buys two types of food packets. From the first one, she can get 7 units of vitamin A. This is the minimum required. Minimum required. I can put it down over here instead of writing it at the top, that this is the minimum required 30, 20, and 16 units. Now, food 1 provides her with 7, 5, and 2 units of vitamin A, B, and C. And food 2 provides her with 2, 4, and 8 units of vitamin A, B, and C. Now, here you need to find the number of grams of F1 and F2 that should be bought to keep a food bill minimum. She has to keep a food bill minimum. So what is the number of units of F1 and F2 that should be bought? So we'll say let X units of F1 and Y units of F2 be bought. Let X units of F1 and Y units of F2 be bought. Now here F1 costs rupees. F1 cost of F1 is rupees 3 per unit and cost of F2 is rupees 2 per 10 grams. Sorry, per 10 grams, and this is rupees 2 per 10 grams. Okay, so this is also per 10 grams. If she has one food packet of 10 grams, then she'll get 7 units of vitamin, then 5 units of uh, B, and 2 units of C. So this is, think it's these are sachets of uh, 10 grams each. That is maybe equivalent to the conditioners that you use, small packets of conditioners that you use. So Smriti has bought around some units, X units of food F1 and Y units of food F2. She has bought many packets. She's kept it over there. Every day she has it as per requirement so that she doesn't crumble and fall down. So she just wants to maintain her energy. Now, how many grams of F1 and F2 should be bought per day? So let us say X and Y units. So 1 unit would be 10 grams. X units of F1 and Y units of F2. This is a slightly tricky question because they have asked you in grams. So X units of F1 and Y units of F2 be bought. So here, first of all, towards the end, they would have mentioned what is our objective function. Objective is to minimize the food bill. 3 rupees per 10 grams X units. So 3 into X plus 2 rupees per 10 grams plus 2Y. And this has to be minimized. Subject to, there are some constraints. What are the constraints? First one, she would get 7 units from here. 3x plus 2y is the cost which has to be minimized, subject to she's getting 7 units per 10 grams here. So if she's having X number of packets, then she'll be getting 7 into X units of vitamins plus 2 into Y units of vitamin. And here she needs to have minimum of 30 units. So this should be minimum 30, greater than equal to 30. Here 5 units is what she gets from here. So 5 into X plus 4 into Y should be greater than equal to 20. Then 2x plus 8y should be greater than equal to 16, and x and y should be greater than equal to 0. How many grams of F1 and F2 should be bought? So here, to keep a food bill minimum. Now here, we have to minimize. This would be, I'm not drawing the table right now, but this would be extreme right end. Now when I plot this, x would be 30 by 7 comma 0, y would be 0 comma 15. And if I want some value which satisfies both, then I'll take x as 2. When I take x as 2, I'll get 14, 16, y as 8. Similarly, here I'm taking this extra point because this is in fraction. This is y, x is 4, then y is 0 comma 5. Here this is x is 8, y is 0 comma 2. If I put x as 2, 14, 30 minus 14 is 16, 2y is 16. You put any random value. I took some value such that I can get the value of y. When I take this as 3, this would be in decimal. I don't want that. 7 4s are 28. I can take it over here. 30 minus 28 is 2. So when it is 4, this is 1. I took 2 comma 8. That is because this is in fraction. I won't be able to plot it. Here, this is 0. This is 30 by 7 means 4 point. This is 0, 4, 0, 8, 0, 2. This is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. X axis. This is 0, 0, 0, 2, 5, and 15. So I'll take 2 each. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. So 0 comma 15, then 2 comma 8. So this is 1, and 30 by 7 would be 4 point something. So somewhere here. Scale, do not forget to write scale 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter equal to 2 units on both axes. Then here 4 comma 0, 0 comma 5, 8 comma 0, 0 comma 2. Here. Now it is all to the extreme right. So these are the values. Zero comma 15, 8 comma 0, and this point. So I'll say this is A, this is B, and this is C. Now, when I take this one, this line is what? 2x plus 8y equal to 16. And I consider this line. This is what? This is 7x plus 2y equal to 30. Then in that case, when I solve these two, I'll get 2x plus 8y equal to 16. And when I multiply with 4, I get 28x plus 8y equal to 120. This is minus, this gets cancelled, 26x equal to, this is 104, x equal to 4. So x is 4 here, and when I substitute here, I get 28 plus 2y equal to 30, 2y equal to 2, therefore y equal to 1. So this is 4 comma 1. So these are the points that you have Now we'll have to find z at all these 3 points. Z at A would be 0, 15. So it would be 2 into 15, that is 30. Z at B would be 4, 1. It would be 3 into 4 plus 2 into 1. So 12 plus 2 is 14. Z at C would be 8, 0. So it is 3 into 8 plus 2 into 0. It is 24. So minimum cost is at 4, 1. So therefore 4 units of A and 4 units of 1 and 5 units of and 1 unit of F2 has to be fed, but this is to be in grams. Now, therefore, I can say 4 units means 40 grams of food F1 and 10 grams of food F2 has to be fed. Smriti,
So behind it's given x is equal to 4, y is equal to 1, and z is equal to 14.
yeah, but they have asked you how many grams of F1 and F2 have to be fed. Just underline that. So that should have been 40 and 10. Followed? How many
Yes, sir.
grams? They haven't asked you how many units of F1 and F2 have to be fed. Four and one they have given, right? And 14.
Yes, sir.
So that is same as the answer that we have got, but it should be in grams. Tomorrow I'll be taking up regression. Tomorrow there will be more children. More children because regression, many children would come. Time would be same, 7 to 9. A chemist has a compound to be made using 3 basic elements X, Y, Z. I think these are all not from the textbook directly. I think they have changed the wordings at least. Or have I done these sums? I don't recollect having done these sums. And as far as I remember, I had done each and every problem. A chemist has a compound to be made using 3 basic elements X, Y, Z. It has to have minimum of 10 liters of X, then 12 liters of Y and 20 liters of Z. He makes this compound by mixing 2 compounds. Compound 1 and compound 2 have to be mixed. Now, each unit of compound 1 is 4 liters of X, 3 liters of Y. What? And Z is not missing. And Z is missing? Can you check the value there? Because here Z is not given. Each unit of compound 16. Acha. Here Z is not given at all. Now let us see. And the unit cost of compound 1 cost of compound 1 is 400 rupees. Cost of compound 2 is 600 rupees. Let X units of C1 be mixed with Y units of C2. So here you get 4 into X plus 1 into Y should be minimum of 10. So it should be greater than equal to 10. 3 units of X plus 2 units of Y should be greater than equal to 12. And this would be uh, greater than equal to 20. This is 4y. Is it 0x or some value of x? Unless we get that, we won't be able to find. And we have to minimize the cost. So that is our function. So z is cost which has to be minimized. And this would be 400x plus 600y, subject to these constraints. X and y cannot be negative. All are to the extreme right. So even without this, we will see whether we can plot it or not. This would be 0, this would be 10, and this would be, when I put this as 0, this would be 10 by 4, that is 5 by 2. I'll take this as 2. When I take 2 here, 4 2s are 8, I'll get 2 here. 3 into 4 is 12, here 0, comma 6. Now this is 0, comma 0, 0, this is 2, 4, 8 and 10. This would be 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. No, 4y equal to 20 ऐसा आ जाएगा, फिर that would be y equal to 5. I doubt that can be the case. So that would be y equal to 5. Let us see. Now here, this would be 0, comma 10. This would be 10 by 4. That means 2.5. Rather, I'll take 2, comma 2 over here, and then we'll draw a line here. This is one line. This is 4x plus y equal to 10. 3x plus 2y equal to 12. So 4, comma 0 and 0, comma 6. This is 3x plus 2y equal to 12. Then y equal to 5. So it is parallel to this one. It is y equal to 5. I'm not sure whether there's a triangle here or whether this passes through the same. Well, I figure it out. It would be like here. It is all to the right. Now this would put us in problem because it would be this region here, or it would be this region here, depending on what this is. So y equal to 5 would mean it is this region over here. So I believe this is not that line anyway. We'll check it. This is 0, comma 10. This is 4, comma 0. The point of intersection of these two lines is 4x plus. I'll write it as 8x plus 2y equal to 20 and 3x plus 2y equal to 12. So that would be 5x equal to 8. So x equal to 8 by 5. And then when I substitute here, I'll get 64 by 5, or I'll say 4 into 8, 32 by 5 plus y equal to 10. Y equal to 10 minus 32 by 5. We'll get here 18 by 5. So this is 8 by 5, comma 18 by 5. It doesn't pass through that. So this is not that line. So yeah, now z at A would be equal to 400 into 0 plus 600 into 10. Then z at B would be 8 by 5, comma 18 by 5. So it would be 400 into 8 by 5, 3200 by 5 plus 600 into 18. So it is 1080 by 5. This would be 4280 by 5. 5 8s are 40, 2 8, 5 5s are 25. Just see the answer, Smriti.
So behind it's given z is equal to 3500, x is equal to 5 by 4, y is equal to 5.
So that means there is some condition over here. We cannot guess that. Okay, so there's something missing here. But the ratios are different. Yeah, and then no, that is all right, but same figure is not given, right? So we need some value here. And which question is that? Same as this. The region would be outwards. The third line may be somewhere here. What did you say is the third line? You said 5 comma. What is x and what is y?
So x is 5 by 4
5
and
by 4 is 1.25. 5 by 4, okay. And y is
5.
5. Oh, so I guess it should be somewhere here. Yeah, anyway, so this is how you draw the diagram. Your one information is missing. A wholesale dealer deals in two types of mixtures, A and B. Each kg of mixture A contains 60 gram of almonds, then 30 grams of cashew, and 30 grams of hazelnuts. So here each kg of mixture B contains 30 grams of almonds, then 60 grams of cashew, 180 grams of hazelnut, and a dealer is contemplating to use mixtures A and B. He is thinking of using mixtures A and B to make a bag which will contain at least 200 grams, minimum 200 grams of almonds, sorry, 240 grams of almonds, 300 grams of cashew, and 540 grams of hazelnut. Mixture A costs rupees 8 per kg and mixture B costs rupees 12 per kg. Our objective is to minimize the cost. So Z would be if I mix X units of A with Y units of B, X units of A and Y units of B, I would get 8X plus 12Y as the total cost which has to be minimized. Now, subject to the constraints are first one, 60 into X plus 30 into Y should be minimum. Minimum, it is the opposite. So greater than equal to 240. 30 into X plus 60 into Y should be greater than equal to 300. Then 30 into X plus 180 into Y should be greater than equal to 540. And X and Y should be greater than equal to 0. Now 32s are 31s are 8. Here this would be 30 into 1 plus 2y should be greater than equal to 10. 30 into 1 plus 6y should be greater than equal to 18. Your x and y. So when x is 4, y is 0, and when x is 0, y is 8. Here when x, this would be 10 comma 0, and this would be 0 comma 5. This would be 18 comma 0, and this would be 0 comma 3. So this would be 4, 10, 18, and this would be 8, 5, 3. So this would be fact, I would prefer to take intervals of 4 each so that I don't have to draw too many intervals here. Then here I'll take intervals of 2 each. The y-axis, this is x-axis. Do not forget to write the scale. Scale 1 centimeter equal to 4 units on y-axis, x-axis, and 1 centimeter equal to 2 units on y-axis. This would be 4 comma 0. So here 0 comma 8. So here 2x plus y equal to 8. Next one 10 comma 0 and 0 comma 5. This would be x plus 2y equal to 10 and x plus 6y equal to 18. So this would be 18 comma 0 and 0 comma 3. This is 0 comma 8. This is 18 comma 0. This and this. B here, C here, A here, D here. To find B, we'll solve these two. So you will get here 2x plus y equal to 8 and 2x plus 4y equal to 20. I subtract it, I'll get 3y equal to 12. Therefore, y equal to 4. So y is 4 here. Now when I substitute, I get 4 here, 4 there, it becomes x equal to 2. So this is 2 comma 4. It should be roughly that itself. Then to find C, I'll solve these two. Which equation is this? This is 2x plus, oh sorry, this is x plus the one which passes through 18. That is x plus 6y equal to 18. So when I solve these two, I'll get 4y equal to 8. Therefore, y equal to 2. When I substitute, I'll get x plus 12 equal to 18. X equal to 6. So this would be 6 comma 2. Now greater than equal to means it would be to the right. Z at 0 comma 8 would be 8 into 0 plus 12 into 8, 96. Z at 2 comma 4 would be 8 to the 16 plus 12 into 4, 48. Z at C would be 6 comma 2. So it would be 8 6 of 48 plus 12 into 2, 24, 72. Z at D would be 18 comma 0. So it would be 18 into 8, 144. Minimum cost is when 2 units of X and 4 units of Y are fed. Now 2 units of X and 4 units of Y should be uh, mixed. That means 2 kgs of X and 4 kgs of Y. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Did you verify it?
Yes, sir.
What happened to you? Why are you crying?
No, sir.
Achha, someone told me your complaint glass fell down. It's all right, doesn't matter. Done? This is done now. What reason? Now we'll take up the objectives one by one. हाँ बड़े हो गए अभी सिर्फ छोटे वाले बच्चे आज मैं खाली एलपीपी खत्म करके छोड़ दूंगा सब ऑब्जेक्टिव्स करवा के छोड़ दूंगा Then tomorrow I'll take up regression. Because that is the only difficult topic of maths 2 which is left. That I did. Difficult topic of maths 2, regression, linear programming, and some children say it is difficult. So that is why I did all this. Anyway, I'll first take up. Yeah, they say it is difficult. Now here, if LPP has optimal solution at 2 point, we just did it a few minutes back. I said if 2 points, at 2 points it has minimum, then it has minimum over each and every point. So infinite solutions. Smriti,
It's correct.
I think Smriti is in the Smriti is not in the right frame of mind. What happened, Smriti?
Sir, I'll connect to the earphones, maybe because of that.
Acha, okay. You sound like as if you are about to cry now. Yeah, yeah. So Lamia sent me a message that your glass of Complan fell down and that is why you are crying. The feasible region is a common region determined by all constraints, common region determined by non-negative. That is not right. Either of the options, both the options. No, it is only common region determined by all the constraints. Second A1, right? It may be negative, it may be non-negative.
So for the
Yeah.
second one, it's given D.
D. Determines
D
all the
option.
constraints. When I say all the constraints, it would involve even non-negative constraints. Okay. Not by non-negative, they are meaning x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Therefore, the A and B, that is, it would be D. Non-negative, they are considering x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 line. Non-negative, that means it may not be positive, it may be 0. Followed? The maximum value of z equal to 3x plus y subjected to this is what? Now, the first thing is, we'll have to quickly plot this. It is 4x plus 3y equal to 12. I'll say x upon 3, y upon 4. So this is one line. Then the next one is x plus y equal to 2. When x is 2, y is 2. Here, so this is another line. And they have said both are less. So here, this is that point. So this is 0, comma 2. This is 0, comma 0. This is 2, comma 0. So it would be, we'll have to check z at first 0, comma 0. It is 0. Then z at 0, comma 2. It would be 3 into 0 plus 5 into 2. That would be 10. Then z at c, it would be 2, comma 0. It would be 3 into 2, 6. So maximum value is 10. Complan girl. Yeah, fourth one. The minimum value of this subjected to the constraint x plus y equal to 6. When I say x plus y equal to 6, only one line. This is 0, comma 6. This is 6, comma 0. Greater than means here subjected to. So here this would be 0, comma 6 and 6, comma 0. Z at 0, comma 6 is 30. Z at 6, comma 0 is 24. Minimum value is which one am I doing right now? Oh, there is one more line. 5x plus y equal to 10. My God. So 5x plus y equal to 10 means x is 2, y is 0, y is 10 here. Okay. 0, comma 10. This is 0, comma 10. This is 6, comma 0 and this one. So it is 5x plus y equal to 10, and it is x plus y equal to 6, 4x equal to 4, therefore x equal to 1, y equal to 5. So this is 1 comma 5. So we'll have to find at z 0 10, then we'll have to find z 1 5 and z 6 0. So when I take z 60, it is 24, z 0 comma 10, it is 50, and z 1 comma 5, it is 4 plus 25 29. Minimum value is 24. My God. 6 comma. Minimum value should have been 24.
So 29 is the answer.
How can it be possible? Because this is less than that. Maximum 50 होना चाहिए.
Behind it's given 29.
No, it is wrong. This should have been the answer. अभी दिया है तो अभी हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं. अभी लिखो उन लोग को, एक वर्षा गायकवाड़ का नंबर देता हूं मैं, उसको बोलो आई एम इशरक, आई डोंट लाइक योर objective system. I think it needs a revamp. So these are my suggestions, and kindly see to it that you implement it within the next 10 days. If no, then strict action would be taken against you. लिख डालो. And supported by बाकी लोग का नाम भी लिख डालो. Here x equal to, मेरा नाम मत लिखना, x equal to 0 8, and this would be, now y is 0, x is 4, this one would be x is 10 comma 0 and 0 comma 5. This should have been 24. Now these are the constraints. So here x upon 4, x is 4, y 0, and here 0 comma 8. Then 10 comma 0 and 0 comma 5. Zero comma 8, this is 10 comma 0. How do you find these two? Solve these two. 2x plus y equal to 8. Here 2x plus 4y equal to 20. So this would be 3y equal to 12, y equal to 4. When I put y equal to 4 here, 2x plus 4 is 8, 2x is equal to 4. Therefore, x equal to 2. So this is 2 comma 4.
It's correct.
What is correct? Like we have to find which point is minimum, and so z at 0 comma 8 would be 8 into 0 plus 12 into 8 96. Z at 2 comma 4 would be 8 to 16 plus 48, so that would be 64, and z at 10 comma 0 would be 80. So this is the minimum value, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sixth one. Yeah, if you all support Ishraq, then you can go to Azad Maidan together tomorrow. I'll keep the lecture late so that you can go over there, protest, and then come. But do not take my name anywhere. Whatever be your grievances, see to it that they are addressed over there itself. Now here, this would be x. This is 4 comma 0, and this is 0 comma 6. This is 0 comma 4 and 4 comma 0. Yeah. 4, 0 and 0, 6. 0, 4 and 4, 0. Then it is this one is 4, 0 and 0, 6. That is 3x plus 2y equal to 12. And this is x plus y equal to 4. So greater than this and less than this. So it is this region. Greater than this and less than this. So it is this region. It is in the first quadrant itself. So we'll see that one point is 4, 0, the other is 0, 4, the third one is 0, 6. So when I substitute, I get z at 0, 6 as 36, z at 0, 4 as 24, and z at 4, 0 as 16. So what have they asked? Maximum value. So it is 0, 6.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Gradually you are gaining your voice back. Did you get one more glass of Complan?
Sir, I connected to my earphones, maybe because of that.
Maybe because of that. Next time onwards, don't connect to your laptop, connect to your earphones itself so that you don't cry. Okay. Yeah. This is 2x plus 3y equal to 18. So 9. The biggest problem is other children are all dumb and deaf. They won't reply at all. And moreover, they are very afraid of COVID. They believe if they speak, then they may contract that. So they haven't spoken over the last 1 year. Here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So here this would be 9, 0. This is 0, 6. This is 5, 0, and this is 0, 10. And I say less than both of them, so it is here. This is 0, 0. This is 0, 6. This is 5, 0. And this point is a meeting point of these two. What are they? 2x plus 3y. So 2y equal to 8, y equal to 4. When I substitute y equal to 4, this would be 6, x would be 3. So this would be 3, 4. Now when I substitute, I'll get z at 0, 0 is 0. If they ask for minimum or maximum, then z at 0, 6 is 78. Z at 3, 4 is 27 plus 52. This should ideally be the answer. 52 plus 27, that is 79. And Z at D would be 45. So maximum value is at 3, 4. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thank you. You should remember that you are the only one speaking out there. Okay, so be as fast as possible. Others would keep blessing you because they cannot speak, so they won't speak in words, but they'll keep blessing you from there. They'll uncover themselves only after their board exams are over. Till then, they won't speak with anyone. This is 5, 0, 0, 5. This is 6, 0 and 0, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now x plus y equal to 5 means here x plus 2y equal to 6 means 6 0 and 0 3, and both are less than, that means it is here 0 comma 0 here, this is 5 comma 0, this is 0 comma 3, and this point is the point of intersection of these two. When I solve it, I'll get y equal to 1 and x equal to 4. So here the points are 0 0 0 3 4 1 and 5 0. Yeah, it is B.
Yes, sir.
Point of maximum Z. What? Okay, they have asked you, is at which point? Now Z is 6x plus 4y, I guess. And they have said it is 48. So it should be 6 into 8 itself. 8 means it should have been B, where it is maximum. Because if I take 72 by 5 and 120 by 5, that would be 18. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
10th one, Z is 3.5x plus 2y, and where is it? It's 16. So 3.5 into 4 would be 14 plus 4. So it is at 4 comma 2, right?
So it's 4 comma 1. Option D.
Yeah, 4 comma 1, sorry. This is 3.4 into 4, which is 14, and this is 2, right? So it is option D. Then the constraint that in a college there are more scholarship holders in FYJC class than in SYJC. So X is more than Y, would be X greater than Y. So it is A.
Yes, sir.
What kind of a question was this? A washing machine can hold up to 8 kilograms of cloth. So X can be maximum 8. So it can be less than or equal to 8. So it is
Exactly.
option B, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you have to protest tomorrow for the same. We want these kind of questions itself. Signed and first, yeah, proposed by Ishraq. Seconded by whoever name you want, you can write, but not my name. Yeah. The maximum value of Z equal to 5x plus 3y. Subjected to the constraints. Same here, 3x plus 2y equal to 3x plus y equal to 12. This is 2x plus 3y equal to 18. X and y is greater than equal to 0. Now z is 5x plus 3y. X 0, y is 12, y is 0, x is 4. X 0, y is 6, y is 0, x is 9. Zero comma 6 and 9 comma 0. Yeah, both are less. So yeah, this is 0 comma 0, 0 comma 6, 4 comma 0. This is and this would be 6x plus 2y equal to 24, and when I multiply that with, or I'll say 9x plus 3y equal to 36, and this is 2x plus 3y equal to 18, 7x equal to 18, x equal to 18 by 7. Then x is equal to 18 by 7, so it is 36 by 7 plus 3y equal to 18, 3y equal to 18 minus 36 by 7. 3 6 are 3 12 are 6 7 are 42 minus 12, 30 by 7. So it is 18 by 7 comma 30 by 7. Now z values at 0 0, it is 0, at 0 comma 6 it is 18, at 18 by 7 comma 30 by 7 it is 5 into 18 90 plus 3 into 30 90 by 7, so it is 180 by 7. And at z at d would be 5 4s are 20. This is 7 2s are 14. It is greater here, so this is false. What is the answer given behind?
So, but it's given.
Yeah, they would have given false or true.
It's given true.
True.
Yes, sir.
My God. I don't think I've made any calculation mistake. Have I made any calculation mistake? Oh, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, हाँ, तो 9x plus 3y equal to 36 हो गया. x is 18 by 7 आया. ये किस इसको मैंने सब्स्टिट्यूट किधर किया? ओके, yeah, 2 into 18 by 7 is 36 by 7 plus 3y equal to 18, 18 minus 36 by 7, 3 6 are 3 12 are 42 minus 12, 30 by 7. यहाँ तक तो सब राइट है. तो 30 by 7, 3 into, now 5 into 18 by 7 is 90 by 7, and 3 into 30 by 7 is 90 by 7. So 180 by 7. No, no way. Maximum value is at 18 by 7 comma 30 by 7. I don't think I've made any calculation mistake here. It's too tiring to draw these graphs. This should be false. Objective function of LPP is a relation between the decision variables. Yes, it should be true. Just see the answer.
That it's true.
Yeah. If LPP has two optimal solutions, then LPP has infinite solutions. That is also true. I told you, when there are two optimal solutions, you have optimal solution on each and every point of the line. So right there at each and every point on the line, that is true.
But
Then
behind it's given false.
what? No. If LPP has two optimal solutions, then the LPP has infinitely many solutions. That is very true. Otherwise, yeah. Now, LPP is related to efficient use of limited resources. Yes. What are they given? True.
False.
LPP is related to efficient use of limited resources. Yes. When the resources are limited, we use LPP to efficiently use it. Why is it false? My God. This is a scam actually. LPP is related to efficient. Yes, it is efficient, related to efficient use. It is true. Are you sure you're reading the right question?
Yes, sir.
A convex set includes the points but not the segment joining the points. A convex set includes a point but not the, actually it includes the points as well as the segment, but we consider only the points. So what answer have they given there? True or false?
True.
True. Yes. It includes convex set means if we are if we are forming this set, it is a convex set, bounded. So we are considering only the points here, but it actually is considering all the points on the segment. And we know that it is maximum at the extreme points. So therefore we check the maxima and minima value only at the extreme points. We ideally we are supposed to check all these values, but it is not possible to check all the values. So we check only these extreme values. If the corner points of the feasible region are this, then the minimum value is at 4, 0. At 0, 10.
So you missed one question.
Which one is that? Okay.
So sixth.
6. Okay. Yeah. If the corner points are 0, 7 by 3, then so z at 0, 7 by 3 would be 4 into 0 plus 5 into 7 by 3. Then z at 2, 1 would be 4 into 2, 8 plus 5, 13. Z at 3, 0 would be 4 into 3, 12, and z at 0, 0 would be 0. Maximum value is not this, it is this. So it is false.
But
Smriti,
it's given true.
my
It's
God,
given true.
you have gone
So
mad.
maybe they have shuffled the true and false. Means the one which are true they have written as false and one which are false they have written as true. Maybe
How is that possible?
because behind they have written true and they have numbered that. They haven't written first one true. That's why.
Okay.
So maybe they have headed them wrong.
If the corner points, but then fifth one was right. No, but not the segment. Actually, it includes even the segment, but maybe. Now, seventh one, if the corner points are, then z at 0, 10. Therefore, you have to be very careful in these objectives. This is the only place where you can lose marks. Z at D, this would be 6 plus 4, 10. Z at C, 4, 0 would be 3 into 4, 12. So this is not the minimum value. The minimum value is at 4, 0? No. Oh my God.
It's given for true.
So I think as Om mentioned,
But some are correct, like starting ones.
let us see. So what have they given?
So they have given true.
The half plane includes this point. So half plane represented by, this is 3 4s are, 4 3s are, It is 4,3. Yes, it includes this point. What have they mentioned?
False.
My God. So that means they have jumbled it. Corner point method is most suitable method for solving LPP graphically. No, corner point method, is that the graph method? Corner point method, is it the graph method? That is called a simplex method. What is corner point method? Is it this corner point method? If it is this, it is most suitable. If it is simplex method which they are speaking about, then it is not most suitable. If this is true, it is this method they are mentioning about. Is it true or false?
False.
That means they have considered it to be the simplex method, I guess. I'll have to check what is corner point method. Whether,
Sir,
huh.
sir, I found it in textbook. Should I read the steps?
Yeah, say.
Step 1, find the feasible region of LPP. Step 2, determine the vertices of feasible region either by inspection or by solving the two equations of lines intersecting at the points. Step 3, find the value of objective function z at all vertices of feasible region.
Yeah,
Step
that is
4,
the most suitable method. That is the most suitable method. That is corner point method. So I was right. So this is corner point method, the one which we did. And the other one is called simplex method, where we use the set square to draw parallel lines. So this is corner point method. This is the most suitable method. So it should have been true. They have given what?
False.
Now, of all the points of a feasible region, the optimal value is obtained at the boundary of the feasible region. Yes, actually it is obtained at the vertex of the feasible region. So have they said true or false?
True.
This is correct. But it should have been the vertex, not the boundary. It's very difficult to interpret what they have asked for. Now the points,
Sir, in textbook and MCQ, they have given vertex point.
they have given vertex, right?
Yeah.
What have they said? Of all the points of a feasible region, the optimal value is obtained at the vertex of the feasible region, right?
Yes, sir. And sir, even in the option, they have given boundary, but they have written as vertex.
Didn't get you. Means they should have written as vertex actually. What have they written in the textbook?
They have written vertex only instead of boundary because in the multiple choice question, in the choice, there is boundary also.
And there,
They
is it
have
given as false?
chosen vertex points.
One second. In the multiple choice questions, which question is that?
So I don't know the question number. I remember the question.
One sec. Feasible region is obtained. Yeah, it should be vertex. That is why what I said. It shouldn't have been boundary, but I don't know whether they are considering it as boundary or not. It should have been the vertex. So this should have been false, and because boundary is different. Boundary means this is all boundary, but vertex means specifically this. So it should have been vertex and not boundary. So boundary is wrong. It should have been vertex. I guess, as Om mentioned, all the correct answers have been given false. Yeah. Yes. So even here, a convex set includes the point, but not the segment. Actually speaking, it includes the segment also. But yes, we consider maxima and minima only at the vertex. So here, but not the segment is false, but they have given it as true, I guess. And the point 64 does not belong to the feasible region. So we can check this 8 6 are 48 plus 20 is greater than, so it does not belong. So it is true.
Sir,
What
is
have-
it false?
Yeah, so that means they have interchanged all the x and the y axis. Now x is greater than equal to 0, y is greater than 0 lies in the first quadrant, not the second quadrant. So this should have been false.
But they wrote true.
So that means, as Om mentioned, it is all the opposite ones. So in that case, only the second one has been contradicted. Objective function is a relationship between decision variables. Yes, it is a relationship between decision variables. Wait. Objective function is a, इसमें ना पूरा words पढ़ना पड़ता है. So the actual answers for B, the first one is false. Second, don't mark the second one. Third one is true. Fourth one is true. Fifth one is false. Sixth one is false. Seventh is false. Eighth is true. Ninth is true. 10th is false. And 11th is true. 12th is false. Second one, wait, just one sec. Objective function is a relationship between decision variables. Yes, it is a relation actually. Objective function. Yeah, miscellaneous exercise 6, question number 1, the third part. Can anyone verify that answer? Miscellaneous exercise 6, question 1, the third part.
So can you repeat miscellaneous exercise 6?
Question number 1, the third part. That is B. What is B?
B.
Yeah, it is a function to be maximum. Objective function is a function to be maximized or minimized. So it is not a relationship. It should have been false. So second one, I'll give you, wait, I'll write it full for you. So this should have been false. It is a function to be maximized or minimized. Objective function is a function to be maximized or minimized.
So fifth one should be true, no?
Wait, wait. Which one? Fifth one. A convex set includes the points but not the segment. Actually speaking, convex set, see, when I say convex set, this is the convex set. Now, when you think of it, it includes even the boundary along with the vertex points. So it should have been true. Sorry, it should have been false, but not the segment. So it includes the segment also. But what have they given behind?
False.
False. Have they given this in the
No. Fifth one they give true. You gave it as false.
yeah, it should be false. Now, have you seen this same question somewhere in the objective part in the textbook? Anyway, I'll give you all the answers which we have figured out for B. First one should be false. Second one should be false. Third should be true. Fourth should be true. Fifth should be false. Sixth should be false. 7 should be false. 8 should be true. 9 should be true. 10th should be false. And 11 should be true. 12 should be false. Are all of them wrong or only some of them are wrong?
Sir, all are wrong.
All are wrong. Okay, then it is all right. So that means, as Om mentioned, they have read Om's mind. Next, fill the blanks. The variables involved in LPP are called as what? Variables are not called constraints. Variables involved are called as what?
So decision variables.
Okay, I don't know about that. Are they called as decision variables?
Yes, so behind it's given that.
Yeah, then it should be right. Constraints are always in the form of inequalities, or uh, have they mentioned positive, negative inequalities, something of that sort? Have they mentioned positive inequalities or non-zero inequalities?
They wrote equations or inequations.
Yeah, that is right. So here, what is C first one? It is the variables involved are called as decision variables. Second one, constraints are always in the form of inequalities or equalities. Then third one, a set of variables satisfying all the constraints is known as set of values. My God. Optimal solution?
Solution of LPP.
Yeah, that is optimal solution or solution of LPP. Then, by spending almost 250, Raki bought some kg of grapes and some kg, almost. That means X and Y maximum should be 250, less than equal to 250.
Sir, it's correct.
Yeah, these are all, you cannot go wrong in these. The only problem can be those questions where they expect us to write, fill the blanks, and not these kind of questions where we have to write equations or inequalities. Tyco cycles manufactures bicycles and tricycles, profit earned. Then the profit earned is Z equal to 400 per bicycle into X bicycles plus 200 per tricycle into 500Y, right?
It's correct.
Sixth one, a doctor prescribed two types of vitamins, T1 and T2 for Mr. Dhawan. Tablet T1 contains 400 units of vitamin and T2 contains 200 units. If his requirement of vitamin is at least 4000. So from the first one, 400 into X plus 2500 into Y, sorry, 250 into Y. Total, when you add it, it should be at least 4000 units. So greater than or equal to 4000.
It's correct.
Followed?
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Or have they reduced it and written?
No, 400x.
The feasible region represented by X greater than equal to 0 and Y less than equal to 0 lies in which quadrant? X equal to 0 is this one, and Y, so X greater than 0 would be here, and then Y less than 0 would be here. So it is fourth quadrant.
It's correct.
Yeah, someone said something in between and then stopped. Eighth one, Haram, my God, what name is that? Haram requires, they should have said Harami requires at most 400 calories from his breakfast. So breakfast, he has to get at least 400 calories. Each bowl of oats and a glass of milk provides him 80 calories and 50 calories. So 80 into X plus 50 into 5 at most. That means it should be less than or equal to 400.
Sir, it's correct.
Yeah. If the godown can accommodate, Ganesh owns a godown for refrigerator and microwave. Godown can accommodate at most 75. So X plus Y is maximum 75, should be less than or equal to 75. Messrs. Mona wants to invest at least 55,000 in mutual funds. So X and Y should be at least minimum 55,000.
Sir, it's correct.
Yeah. The voice is going down again. 2x plus 3y is less than equal to 12. 2x plus y is less than equal to 8. So here then 0.5 comma 4. So if I put 5 here, 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4 is 12. 2 into 5 plus 4 is 9. So it would be, first of all, this is 6 comma 0.
Sir, we can get by direct substitution. No?
You can get from?
Substitution. If
Yeah.
it is less than, it is
Yeah.
satisfying or not.
This is less than. So, but this does not satisfy.
Yes, sir, means it is not in the region. No?
And this is 2 pies are 10 plus 3 into 4 is equal to 12. That means it is on the line.
Sir, it will be
Sorry.
22, no?
22. It would be 22. So this too doesn't satisfy. So the point does not lie on the feasible region. So it is not a solution of the feasible region.
Sir, it's correct.
12th. The constraint that in a particular 12th standard class, number of boys are less than number of girls. Now it all depends on what you take as X and what you take as Y. So X is always less than girls, means it can be X less than equal to Y, or Y less than equal to X, depending on what you write as X and what you write as girls. So here they should have mentioned boys is denoted by X and girls by Y. I'll take the first one as X, second one as Y. What is the answer given behind?
Y and then X.
Yeah, so it doesn't matter. Maybe like they are taking up the genes and all. I am not that good in biology, so I cannot write what is X, what is Y and all. So with this, I put an end to today's lecture as well as linear programming. I'll take up which topic am I supposed to take up next?
Regression.
Yeah, regression. Tomorrow I'll take up regression. If you have any doubts, stay back in the conference. Others can leave. Have a nice day.